Hello, teacher. I'm Alvaro, and this is my second oral exam. I saw the video and say, "Wow, it's very impressive." The points in this video. I agree with the point of view in this video, and I agree of generalization of people because we all done one of these things in our life. And sadly, I made one of these things or habits. For example, when I went in the bus and I don't want stand up, I pretend I slept, and it's not correct because if one person need the seat, um, we need to stand up and say the person, hey, take a seat, you need. Um, the problem in these habits in Mexico is the normalization of these things because the people say, oh, it's very normal, and I do every day or anytime, or the people do every time, and it's not correct because no, sorry. The old habit is bad. It's not okay. Uh, I think the solution is change the perspective of these things and say all the time this habit is incorrect and you don't do this. For example, when you go with a friend or any person and person say, oh, I don't take the class with the vieja esa or the viejo ese, and you say, hey, it's not correct, you say this without an insult. You can say the name of the person or any, but you don't need to say the vieja esa or the viejo ese, and that's it.